Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a table in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. At first, open your Excel document. Now click on the blank workbook option. Then show the Excel workbook. This create table is select needs your needs borders in now your needs now click for the borders option and click for the all borders option. That's okay. Then show the carrier table in MX scale. Now write your text any columns. That's okay. Then you show the character table in MS scale. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.